Understanding the next steps after receiving your I-797C notice.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the I-797C Notice of Action from the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, what it is, why you received it, and most importantly, what are your next steps after receiving it. It's important to remember that timing and processes may vary based on individual circumstances and changes in immigration policy or procedure.
What is an I-797C notice?
The I-797C notice is an important document issued by the USCIS. It's often referred to as a notice of action, and it serves several purposes. It could be a receipt of payment, a rejection notice, an appointment notice for a biometrics capture, a notice of a transferred case, or a reopened case. So, once you've received this notice, the first thing to do is to read it carefully to understand why it has been issued to you.
What are the typical next steps?
Your next steps will depend on the reason the notice was issued. If it's a receipt notice, it simply means that USCIS has received your application, and you don't need to do anything but wait. If it's a rejection notice, you need to understand why your application was rejected, correct the issues, and resubmit the application. If it's a notice for a biometrics appointment, you need to ensure that you attend the appointment at the specified date, time, and location. If your case was transferred or reopened, you should monitor your mail for additional notices or instructions from USCIS.
How long does it usually take to hear back from USCIS?
The waiting time can vary widely, depending on the specifics of your case and the current workload of the USCIS. Generally, for most cases, it could take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. You can check the status of your case online using the receipt number on your I-797C notice. If the waiting time exceeds the typical processing time for your type of application, it may be worth reaching out to USCIS or seeking legal advice. In conclusion, receiving an I-797C notice of action is a normal part of the immigration process. Remember to read it carefully and take the necessary steps based on the type of notice you receive. Patience is key as the immigration process can take time. If you have specific questions or concerns, consulting with an immigration attorney could be beneficial. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you in your immigration journey.